Hi, this video is very short. It is just introducing some links that you can find data sets about coronavirus. Of course, there are plenty of them out there. It's a data that many people used it and published it. So there is not only one, two website. You can easily search COVID data in any search engine and find plenty of links. At the end of one of our previous videos, which was about viewing and editing spreadsheet files in VS Code, we introduced one link which was about COVID data in the UK, coronavirus.data.gov.uk. This link does not exist anymore. It's a natural thing. Time to time some links stop working or they change the address, the name of the website. And it's not only about the link appearing in our video. If you go even to gov.uk, which is the main website of the UK government for a lot of information, you can, and this is about coronavirus statistics and analysis. If you scroll down, for example, clicking on UK data on cases and death, it takes you to coronavirus-staging.data.gov.uk, which, well, at least I cannot reach it. So they use some link and later they delete their website or they change the website and they even themselves forget to update those hyperlinks. So it's a natural thing. Okay. Now, still you can find the data for coronavirus from gov.uk. The current link is ukhsa-dashboard.data.gov.uk. Maybe later it changed to something else. And it's not only for COVID, it's for plenty of other diseases. If you need some data, well, here it is, you can find them. For COVID, you click here, and then you can see a lot of data and you can download them. So this is for UK, but let's say you want something for other countries and more general. One of the places that it comes to my mind at the start of thinking of, well, okay, I want to find data about COVID, even before searching in any search engine, is Wikipedia. If you have been in the time of COVID, it was very common that people were checking the Wikipedia page of the countries that they were caring about, and there were some diagrams or data about it going up and down, and then they're getting updates. So let's search for that page. I will write COVID statistics in Wikipedia. I don't type anything fancy, that's a very simple thing. And by country and territories, okay, and I scroll a bit down. They have a lot of interesting information such as this one, and they have reference for what they pick up. Wikipedia is full of things that are wrong, but there are also things that are correct, and you can always go to the reference and check them, right? So anyway, we go to that reference and you see, okay, that's the a very good data set. We scroll down here, they have this stuff, but they say download this data set and it's about the whole world. So I click there and I just want the data, which is what we want, and then download our compact data set. Now the chances is that your browser, instead of starting to download this .csv file, just try to show it. If that happened, you can try to save the page, and I'm using Brave browser. Probably in other browsers the location of save is in different places, but here it is. Save page as, and then you see it's a .csv file. You can press save and it will give you a file. I already downloaded it. It's here. So this is the file, and you can do plenty of things. You can filter based on a country, so data, filter, and then I search, for example, for Denmark. So I only choose that country to be shown, and then you can see a lot of numbers. And now if you scroll up and down, you see the first row, which is the title of each column is not visible. To force it to remain, I select it, and then from view I click on freeze pane and freeze top row. Now when I scroll down, I can see the title of the columns above them. So it has new cases, so the new infection per day, new death per day. They also have the hospitalized number of patients per day, the ICU patients per day, and they also have a lot of other data that can be useful for you, maybe population, number of beds per 1,000 person, and several other things. So that's one useful link. I will put all of these links in the description below the video, plus links to several other data sets about COVID. If in future you click on any of these links and they didn't exist or they didn't work, don't be shy, just put a comment below the video and say that this link is not working, and we can check later and put the alternative new address of those places. And if you have any suggestion of another exciting, good looking data set, you can also share it with us in the comments.